Modeling clay is so much fun. You can make anything you want. See? Like this. It looks like a squirrel with a trumpet. But if I put more clay and I squeeze it like that, and then I stretch it, whoa. I have funny wiggly worms. Look, Binoo, they want to play with you. Come on.
Binoo, we want to play with you.
But Binoo, they just want to wiggle.
We want a hug.
Wow. See? Aren't they soft? What are you making? A snake! Oh, boy! The sniffy snake is gonna sniff me! My turn now. Just a little squeeze and some more modeling clay and... ta-da! A tickle chomper sea serpent! Watch out, Binoo! That sea serpent is looking for someone to tickle. And he's after you! Your turn? You're making a what? Not a one-eared Fruzzle dragon! He's gonna get me! No, 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 please, no! Don't bite me! Huh? Yoo-hoo! Fruzzle dragon? I'll just grab a little more clay. Take that, dragon. More clay here and... Hock-a-doodle-doo! Binoo! Here comes the Cracker-Doodle! He isn't fast, but he sure is loud. Hock-a-doodle-doo! Where are you? I can't see a thing. Your turn? Hey, what's going on? Wow! What's that? I've never seen a chicken hop before. Ah! Don't eat me, Mr. Chicken! Hey, hey, you can't catch me. I'm too fast for you. My turn now. You can run, but you can't hide. It's the Zippery Zip. Run from the Zippery Zip before he zips you with his zipper. Zip, zip. It's coming. Binoo, I see you. You can't hide in a modeling clay jar. Hey, what are you making now? The most gigantic creature of them all. And it's coming. After us. Huh? Look, Binoo. It's sunny now. What a beautiful day! It's fabulous! Let's go outside and see what kind of creatures we can make out of mud! Come on! Follow me! There's puddles everywhere! Great! Mud is so much fun! You can make anything you want! Mud was first discovered in the times of the mud people. They were made of mud and they used mud in all of their cooking. The main ingredient was mud. In fact, I once made a mud pie. Oh, I love mud pie. You guys are getting heavy. Wow, Binoo, that looks like a scrumptious cake. Can I help, please? Shh. All right, it's the surprise for Patchy Patch. Oh, goody. Huh? Patchy Patch is really, really, really gonna love this cake! What's wrong? A bag? Marbles? What a great idea! Those will look so pretty. They're so round and shiny and colorful and blue. They sunk into the cake. Feel anything? Well, they can't be far. Huh? Hey, wait for me! Wow! Binoo, you know where we are? Mudland! Yippee! The slippiest, squishiest, gooeyest... Uh-oh. Now, how are we going to find your marbles in all of this mud? Any idea? Good thinking, Binoo. We'll just squish our way through the mud. Maybe the marbles are down here. I don't see any marbles down here. You can do silly things with mud, you know. Just take some mud and squeeze it like this. Ta-da! A beautiful muddy hat for me. Now, squish, squish, squish. Here's one for you too, Binoo. That's so funny. Mud hats. Binoo, the marbles. Let's go find them. And Patchy Patch's cake will be so beautiful. Nope, no marbles in here either. Binoo? Binoo, where are you? Ah, there you are. You silly mud face. Hey, where are you going? Wait for me. That looks so fun. I want to try that. I'm gooey. I'm squishy. What's that, Binoo? Huh? A mud mountain? Look! On the top! There they are! Your beautiful, shiny marbles! Let's go get them and we can finish Patchy Patch's cake. Oh! A royal mud monster! With a fantastic crown made of marbles. The mud monster looks so happy and so pretty in her crown. We can't take the marbles away from her, can we? But maybe we could. Oh, your royal muddiness. Can I ask you a favor? Okay, let's go back, Binoo. It's so beautiful. Oh, now, shh, shh, shh. Here they come, get ready. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Now that's a great cake! Betty, Betty, bedtime. I am so sleepy. Ah, cozy wozy. Good night, Binoo. Have a great sleep. Huh? What's up? Oh, I get it. You want a story, right? Well, okay, but just one. I am so tired. Once upon a time, there were 2 brave knights searching all over the kingdom for... a dragon. The 2 brave knights followed the dragon into the dark forest and... Uh-oh. Sorry, Binoo, but I can't finish the story. The page is missing. Don't worry, I'll make up an ending.
No. So they went home and went to bed. The end. What? You didn't like that ending? What? You didn't like the end either, huh? I guess we'll just have to go and find another end for this story. Brave Knight Sir Toopy and brave Knight Sir Binoo are looking for dragons in the dark forest. Hey, look! There's one now! Make way! Sir Toopy and Sir Binoo coming through! Now, okay, so the two knights... followed the dragon through the forest. Suddenly, they came to... I know! A big, comfy bed under a tree. So they climbed in and went to sleep. The end. Oh. No good, huh? Fine. I'll come up with another ending. The brave knights followed the dragon through the forest when they came to a tower. That's it! It was a very tall tower. Very tall. Way too tall. Well, he can climb up there if he wants to. We're staying right... Binoo? How did you... Fine, I'm coming. I'll be right there, Binoo. Up I go. More stairs. At the top of the really, really high tower with way too many stairs, Sir Toopy and Sir Binoo found a fabulous, incredible, amazing bed. Sir Toopy climbed right in and went to sleep. The end. Okay. They don't find a bed. They find a dancing octopus. Now, how about a giant duck? Not a giant duck. All right, then. Uh-oh. Now what? Really? Okay. At the top of the tower, they find a really, really beautiful lady dragon. Ta-da! So, as a reward for finding the end of this story, our two brave knights got the most comfy bed. They climbed in right away. And the two dragons lived happily ever after. The end. Nighty-night, Binoo.
Ducky and Mr. Ring. There. Stay still now. We're coming. Binoo, last one in is a squeaky duck. You need water wings. But that one is too soft. Can I blow it up for you? Can I? Please, please, please. Thank you so much. Stand back, Binoo. Wow! Wait, it looks like it's still too soft. I'll just blow it up a little more, all right? Just for you, Binoo. You'll float perfectly now. What do you think? Oh, sorry, Binoo. A little more. Hey! Oh, I sure know how to blow, don't I? Here you go, Binoo. I'm such a good blower-upper. Huh? What's this? Well, maybe a couple more puffs. Would you look at that? I don't know, Binoo. Do you really think I blew it enough? Almost there. That's pretty good. But if I want to do a real good job, I have to blow it just a bit more. Voila! All blown up by the most marvelous, the best water wing blower-upper ever! Oops. It'll just take a second, Binoo. Woo-hoo. Oh, that was super duper. I'm a little... Whoa! Isn't that cool? Have you ever seen anything like it anywhere? Ever? Let's check it out, Binoo. Wow! Whoa! Incredible! That's so awesome! Toopy coming through! Waterfalls! Oh, this is fabulous! There you go! Hey, Binoo! Why don't you come in for a swim? What? Right! Your water wing! I'll have you swimming in no time. Here I am. See? There's a little nozzle. I just have to check if everything's all right, and then... Huh? It will take a second. What? I know. You want your water wing back. No problemo, Binoo. I happen to be the best water wing unblower-upper, too. Now, there we go. Perfecto. But you know what? I could blow it up a little. Hey. See? It's perfect. Hey, wait for me, Binoo. Well. The pool looks like it needs a little blowing up, too. It'll just take a second.